This next skill is what I call wall walking, or with kids, I refer to it as a choo-choo train. And that's sometimes I'll get multiple kids or families in a row, and we go chugga, 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 choo-choo. So the idea is that they're holding onto a wall in a spot that's a little too deep for them. They can't touch the bottom, but they're trying to get to a spot where they can touch the bottom. And so Lauren is going to just take her hands and say chugga, 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 choo-choo. Chugga, 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 choo-choo. Go back. Let's see. Chugga, 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 choo-choo. This is a safety thing because if they can get to the wall, then they know how to hold on to the wall securely and they're not going to fall in the water. I've seen a lot of kids where I'm like, grab the wall, and they literally don't know how to do that. So this is just a good positive thing. Hold on to the wall, and then can you walk the wall until you get to a spot where you can touch, or maybe to a ladder where you can climb out.